I was gifted this 4-cup egg frying pan, and this has made breakfast so much easier in my house. If you're tired of cooking eggs one at a time, this is such a game changer. You can cook 4 at once, and I've been using it for both scrambled eggs and eggs over easy, and they come out really evenly cooked every time. The nonstick surface is honestly one of my favorite parts. The eggs just slide right out, even with over easy, and cleanup is super quick, usually just a quick wipe, and it's good to go. It also heats up really fast and evenly, so you're not dealing with one egg cooking faster than the others. And the lid is actually really helpful, especially for eggs over easy. It helps them cook through a little faster and keeps everything from splattering. The handle feels comfortable to hold, and I like that it works on pretty much any stovetop, so it's really versatile. It even comes with a little spatula and oil brush, which makes it easy to get started right away without needing anything extra. I've also used it for pancakes and breakfast sandwiches, so it's not just for eggs, which I love. Overall, if you make breakfast at home a lot, this just saves time and makes everything feel a little more effortless, and I've definitely been reaching for it every morning.